You know, I think we've all seen these little gimmicks listed on eBay and other places. Yeah, they look like really old-timey West locks. Somebody's gone to the trouble, some entrepreneur obviously had these little plaques made and then glued them to the front of these locks. They probably artificially aged these two because they all, at least all the ones I see advertised, all seem to be, you know, aged, like rusted. This one was sent in by Bob, and he says he found it on Facebook Marketplace. Thought if it's actually an old lock, it'd make a nice piece for your collection. I don't have a collection, but we'll get to that. If not, it may be of some entertainment value, and that's what we're going to use this for. Either way, enjoy. Okay, so Bob bought this for us, and we're going to take a crack at it. So probably made in India would be my guess. Somebody, you know, sprayed some salt water on them, left them outside for a little while, got them nice and rusty, put these little engravings on there, and now they're selling them. Yeah, here's what the key looks like. It appears to be a 4-pinner. I did check it to make sure it works. So if you look at the key, it's probably a 4 or 5-pinner. When I look in there with a flashlight, I see 4 levers. When you open it up, and I did check it to make sure it works, you can't see anything down inside of there. It's got a block. So yeah, pretty fresh metal in there that was not rusted like the outside of it. All right, let's see if we can get this dude picked. So if we ever get sent to an Arizona Territorial Prison in Yuma, maybe we can escape. Or it may be a little easier. Usually I have to take a key and I have to cut it down. But I've got this guy. Andy Mack designed these guys. It's a handle, and you unscrew this. It's got replaceable tips of different sizes and fits very nicely, very well machined. And the one I really like is this guy because the tip is replaceable. It's threaded into the shaft here. And what you do, you grind it down, and if you want to replace it, you just unscrew this one and put another one in there and grind it to the right size. This one looks like it's about the right size. It might be a little bit, it's perfect. All right. So slide that dude in there. Make sure we don't get bound up. And it appears to be tensioning correctly. So, all right, that worked out. A piece of wire, stick him in there. And again, the wire about the same size as your keyway. Shoehorn him in there. And he is moving back and forth freely. Let me apply a little bit of tension here. Let's get that angle so my hands are not in the focused area and see if this works. All right, light tension, and let's see if we can find a binding lever. Springy, springy. There we go, right there. Got a little click out of it. Another click, another one. Number 3. And there we go. Get my wire out of there. Well, it's open. Maybe harder to get the wire out of there than to pick it. Anyway, guys, if you get stuck in a territorial prison out in Yuma, Arizona, take one of these with you because these locks are not that difficult. Of course, you probably won't see these locks in Yuma. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. Bob, thanks for buying this and sending it to me. I wasn't going to buy one. Thanks, guys.